Did you know that the first scuba diving regulator, the aqualung, was invented in 1943, opening up a new era of underwater exploration? Today we're about to show you some tech that's just as mind-blowing. Let's get started. Number 1. Scuba Diving Mask. The Atomic Venom Ultra Clear Scuba Diving Mask isn't just your average snorkel buddy, it's a game changer. With its patented subframe design and hydrodynamic style, it's like the superhero of dive masks, giving you unobstructed forward vision and wide viewing angles. It covers your eyes, allowing for a 180-degree view. No more missing out on the underwater action. And wait, there's more! The high-tech Shot Super White Ultra Clear lens lets in a whopping 96% of light, so you'll see marine life like never before. And that dual-color silicone skirt, it's like a comfy cushion for your face, even in rough waters. And here's the kicker. It's from Atomic Aquatics, the folks who redefine scuba gear. They don't just make gear, they make experiences. So dive into the future with the Atomic Venom. Your underwater adventure just got a whole lot cooler. Number 2. Underwater Scooter. Dive into the future of underwater fun with the Janeno Underwater Scooter. This bad boy is the size of a MacBook Pro and weighs just 5.9 pounds, making it your ultimate travel buddy. But don't let its size fool you. It's packing a 350-watt motor that gives you a whopping 22 pounds of thrust. Compact and powerful, the scooter helps you glide through the water effortlessly. You'll be zooming through the water like a real-life dolphin. It's not just for pros either, it's got positive buoyancy so anyone can use it. Whether you're in a pool or your favorite lake, you're in for a blast. Plus, there's a parental mode for the grown-ups, and you can even control it with a super cool app. Gear shift, speed control, battery info, and more, it's all at your fingertips. And with a 45-minute runtime on a single charge, the Janeno is ready for action. So dive in and make a splash with this compact powerhouse. Number 3. Dive Computers. Dive like a boss with the Suunto Dive Computer. This thing is a beast, ultra-durable wireless mobile connection and a rechargeable battery that's good for a whopping 40 hours of diving. Say goodbye to battery hassles and hello to non-stop underwater adventures. And it's not just tough, it's super smart too. The advanced device provides real-time data on depth, time, and decompression limits for safer dives. You can customize your dive view, pick your decompression plan, and even choose from 2 different dive algorithms. It's like having your own dive butler. Plus, it's got that Finnish finesse, built like a tank and following the strictest European safety standards. Quality? You bet! With an 80-year legacy of precision and innovation, Suunto is the name you can trust for epic underwater experiences. So dive in and let's explore the depths together. Number 4. Rebreather Kit. The ultimate underwater adventure buddy. This baby packs a punch with its 2-liter large-capacity tank, giving you the freedom to explore the depths like a pro. It's like having your own personal Atlantis. And the best part? A single charge will keep you underwater for a cool 25 to 30 minutes so that you can discover the underwater wonders without a care in the world. It recirculates the air, allowing for longer dives and less gas consumption. But that's not all. It's built to withstand the pressures of the deep sea with ultra-high stability, a 5K explosion-proof valve, and excellent corrosion resistance. You'll be as fearless as a shark down there. So if you're ready to take the plunge and unlock a world of underwater exploration, the Yokohama Mini Scuba Tank and Rebreather Kit has got your back. So dive in and let's make some waves. Number 5. Underwater Drones. The Janeno Underwater Drone Camera, aka the Titan, is designed to dive deep and navigate effortlessly with its 6 thrusters, giving you 360-degree control even in strong currents. It's like having your own personal underwater pilot. But here's the real kicker. You can live stream your aquatic adventures directly to your smart devices in glorious 4K UHD quality. Witness epic underwater moments in real time and share them with the world. With a 160-degree wide-angle lens, you'll capture jaw-dropping shots of the underwater world like never before. And the best part? It's a breeze to use. Just connect the Titan to its wireless transmitter, fire up the Janeno app on your iOS or Android device, and you're ready to explore. This rugged beast can handle the pressure, quite literally, enduring 1.5 MPa underwater and comes in a tough hard-shell suitcase for easy transport. Number 6. LED Dive Lights. Light up your underwater world with the Light and Motion Solar Dive Light. This compact dive light is a game changer, packing 2,500 lumens of flood and 1,200 lumens of spot output, certified to the FL1 standard. Say goodbye to dimming lights, they're regulated for consistent brightness. But that's not all. With a one-touch switch, you can easily toggle between a focused 12-degree spot and a wide 60-degree flood beam. No distracting hot spots or harsh edges here, just pure clean light. And let's talk convenience. It recharges in just 1 hour and 45 minutes with fast charge technology, and it's travel friendly, so you can take it anywhere your underwater adventures lead you. Plus, it's got a universal hand strap for hands-free mobility, and it's compatible with a wide range of mounts to suit your dive and imaging needs. With an intuitive magnetic slide switch, even thick gloves in cold waters won't stop you from adjusting modes and runtime. So let's dive in and light up your world with the Solid Dive 2500 SF. Number 7. Neoprene Dive Suits. Keeps divers dry and warm in cold water, allowing for extended dive times. The ProMate Men's 2-piece semi-dry suit for scuba diving ain't your average wetsuit. It's the Avalon 6mm 2-piece semi-dry set that's here to take your dives to the next level. First, you've got the 6mm full suit. It's like wrapping yourself in a cozy underwater hug. With a heavy-duty YKK zipper, adjustable neck, and super stretchy neoprene, you'll bend and flex like a pro. Plus rubber knee pads for extra protection and double gluing for ultimate durability. And then there's the 6mm hooded jacket, front zipper for easy entry, YKK zippers, smooth skin, and double gluing. It's like a superhero cape for underwater explorers. So if you're all about style, comfort, and staying warm while you dive, the ProMate Avalon is your go-to suit. Dive in, stay cozy, and look cool. Alright folks, before we dive even deeper into this ocean of incredible scuba tech, let's take a sec to hit that like button. It's just like giving your virtual thumbs up to the coolest gadgets in the deep blue sea. And trust me, our gadgets today are so cool even the fish are jealous. So like it up and let's keep riding this high-tech wave together. Number 8. Underwater Communication System. Dive into the future of communication with the Ocean Reef GSM Mercury Underwater Wireless Communication Unit that facilitates communication between divers using wireless technology. This bad boy is your lifeline underwater, offering crystal clear communication beneath the waves. It's got dual channels for uninterrupted chatting, and the best part, it's rechargeable via micro USB, so no more worries about running out of battery during those epic underwater adventures. With a whopping 30 hours of dive time, you're covered for extended explorations. And guess what? It even has a changeable battery, so you can keep the conversation going indefinitely. So stay connected, stay safe, and dive deeper into the unknown with the Ocean Reef GSM Mercury. It's like having a walkie-talkie for the deep blue. Number 9. Dive Watch. Dive into the ocean conversation with the Delma Blue Shark 3 Azores. This limited edition dive watch isn't just stylish, it's a powerhouse with a purpose. The textured gradient dial mirrors the stunning colors of the Azores, while bold hands and superluminova indexes make it pop against the nautical blue background. But here's the cool part. It's not just about looks. The Azores is built to tackle deep-sea missions going as deep as 4,000 meters. It's got all the essential diver's features, from a helium escape valve to a unidirectional bezel. And it's not just a watch, it's a statement. Every purchase supports research and conservation efforts for the endangered blue shark. Saving the oceans has never looked this good. Number 10. Emergency GPS Beacons. Dive into safety with the SmartFind S20 AIS Mob, your favorite lifesaver when you're out on the waves. Designed to be your trusty sidekick on your life jacket, this device is your secret weapon in case of an overboard emergency. Here's how it works. When your life jacket inflates, just pull down the orange locking tab and bam, your red cap is set free. That means the antenna is out and the S20 SRS is a go. It's like magic but for saving lives. But it doesn't stop there. This beast is packed with a high-precision GPS that beams your position info and an ID number back to your boat's plotter. You'll be found and rescued in no time. It's got your back for a minimum of 24 hours and can chill with its battery for up to 7 years. Plus, the LED indicator makes you light up like a star at night so they can spot you in the dark. And for the pros, there's an automatic deployment option when it's pro-fitted for your life jacket. Safety, style, and simplicity. The SmartFind S20 AIS Mob has it all. Number 11. Underwater metal detectors. Dive into underwater treasure hunting with the Fisher 1280X8 all-purpose metal detector. This sleek black beauty is all about convenience. It's a turn-on-and-go champ, fully submersible down to 250 feet. You're in control with adjustable sensitivity and both audio and visual target responses. No mystery finds here. Choose between an 8-inch or a 10-inch coil and get ready for marathon hunts with up to 75+ hours of battery life. Operating at 2.4 kilohertz, it's perfect for beachcombing, shallow water adventures, lake surf escapades, and even deep-sea diving. The Fisher 1280X8 is your underwater treasure hunting sidekick, always ready for the next big find. Number 12. Underwater Scooter Tether Systems. Upgrade your underwater game with the Lafitte Underwater Scuba Booster Strap Kit. This system allows divers to attach their underwater scooters to their BCDs, providing a secure and streamlined way to carry and use the scooter during the dive. This kit is your ticket to an exciting diving experience. It's modular, wireless, and ready to propel you through the water on demand. With 14% more power and a top speed of 1.8 meters per second, you'll be the fastest fish in the sea. Plus, it's got a max 70-minute battery life, so you can explore without limits. And don't worry, the waterproof design keeps it safe even when water gets in the battery compartment. Dive in and elevate your underwater adventures. Number 13. Underwater Horn. Make waves with the Aquatech integrated underwater horn. This handy device is all about safety and communication underwater. It's equipped with a built-in horn that's not only effective below the surface, but also works like a charm when you're above water. With a whopping volume of approximately 120 decibels, it's seriously loud and can be heard from 0.5 to 1.0 miles away when you're topside. The best part? It only requires a tiny bit of air to activate the underwater horn, so it's easy to use when you need it most. It's your go-to signaling buddy beneath the waves. Number 14. Dive Weights. Dive deep with confidence using Mofexi dive weights. Crafted from high-quality materials, these weights are rust-proof and corrosion-resistant. Thanks to their hardened and antimony-coated design, they're built to last dive after dive. Versatility is the name of the game. You can mount them on a weight belt or stash them in your BCD vest pocket. Whether you're into freshwater or saltwater diving, scuba or free diving, these weights have your back. And they're not just tough, they're designed for comfort too, with rounded edge profiles that ensure you're at ease during your underwater adventures. Dive with style with these 2.2 pound, 1 kilogram weights, available in sleek black and vibrant yellow. With the Mofexi dive weights, you're getting strength, durability, and quality all in one package. Thanks for joining our scuba tech adventure today. Before you swim away, don't forget to subscribe and ding that notification bell. Why, you ask? Well, because we're all about staying afloat in the world of amazing underwater inventions, and you don't want to miss the boat on our future dives. So subscribe, stay tuned, and let's keep exploring the coolest tech beneath the waves. Until next time, dive safe and dive cool.